Mississippi River is one of the largest and most important rivers in North America. It is approximately 3,730 kilometers long, making it the fourth longest river in the world. The river flows through 10 U.S. states, including Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Illinois, Missouri, Kentucky, Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. The Mississippi River originates at Lake Itasca in northern Minnesota and flows southwards to the Gulf of Mexico. It is fed by several tributaries, including the Missouri River, the Ohio River, and the Arkansas River. The Mississippi River has played a crucial role in the history of the United States. Native American tribes lived along its banks for thousands of years before European explorers arrived in the 16th century. The river was also a major transportation route for goods and people during the early years of the United States. Today, the Mississippi River is still an important transportation artery, with barges carrying goods such as grain, coal, and petroleum along its length. It also provides habitat for a variety of plant and animal species, including bald eagles, river otters, and catfish. Despite its importance, the Mississippi River faces a number of environmental challenges, including pollution from agricultural runoff and other sources, erosion, and the introduction of invasive species. Efforts are underway to address these issues and protect the river for future generations. The entrance of the Mississippi River leading to New Orleans is called the Southwest Pass. It is the main navigational channel for large ships entering and exiting the river, and it extends approximately 37 kilometers from the Gulf of Mexico to the mouth of the river. The Southwest Pass is marked by a system of buoys and other navigational aids to guide ships safely into the river. The time it takes to transit from Southwest Pass to New Orleans depends on several factors, such as the size and speed of the vessel, weather and water conditions, and traffic in the river. However, on average, it takes about 8 to 12 hours for a ship to travel the approximately 130 kilometers from Southwest Pass to the port of New Orleans. To make this transit, ships must have a licensed pilot on board. The pilot is a highly trained and experienced navigator who has expert knowledge of the river's currents, channels, and hazards. The pilot will guide the ship through the river, using a combination of experience and specialized navigational tools. Additionally, ships must comply with all relevant regulations and safety requirements, including requirements related to vessel size, speed, and cargo. Ships must also have proper communication and safety equipment on board, as well as trained crew members who can respond to emergencies or other situations that may arise during the transit. There are several towns that can be seen from the Mississippi River between Southwest Pass and Gramercy. One is Belle Chasse. It is a town located in Plaquemines Parish, Louisiana. It is home to the Belle Chasse Naval Air Station, which is the largest employer in the area. The town is also known for its annual Orange Festival, which celebrates the citrus fruit that is grown in the area. Then, there's Gretna. It is a city located in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana. It is known for its historic architecture, including several buildings that date back to the 19th century. The city is also home to the Gretna Heritage Festival, which is a popular event that features live music, food, and arts and crafts. Next one is New Orleans. It is one of the most famous cities in the United States, known for its rich history, culture, and music. It is the largest city in Louisiana and is located at the mouth of the Mississippi River. New Orleans is known for its architecture, festivals, and cuisine, including dishes like gumbo, jambalaya, and po' boys. Crescent City Connection Bridge. The Crescent City Connection Bridge spans over the Mississippi River, connecting downtown New Orleans to the West Bank. This is the widest and most heavily trafficked bridge over the lower Mississippi. The closest comparable bridge is in St. Louis, Missouri. In the past, the CCC was known as the Greater New Orleans Bridge, and it carries US Highway 90 over the Mississippi. When the first bridge was completed in 1958, it was the longest cantilever bridge in the world, carrying 2 lanes of traffic in each direction. The bridge was rebuilt and expanded in the 1980s, and the project was completed in 1989. And because of the way the Mississippi River twists and turns, the business US 90 West actually heads eastbound, and the business US 90 East heads westbound. The Huey P. Long Bridge. The Huey P. Long Bridge in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, is a cantilevered steel-through truss bridge that carries a 2-track railroad line over the Mississippi River at mile 106.1, with 2 lanes of US 90 on each side of the central tracks. Opened in December 1935 to replace the Walnut Street Ferry, the bridge was named for an extremely popular and notorious governor, Huey P. Long, who had just been assassinated on September 8 of that year. The bridge was the first Mississippi River span built in Louisiana and the 29th along the length of the river. It is a few miles upriver from the city of New Orleans. The East Bank entrance is at Elmwood, Louisiana, and the West Bank at Bridge City. It was designed by Ralph Majeski. There are 3 navigation channels below the bridge, the widest being 230 meters. The distinctive rail structure is 7,009 meters long and extends as a rail viaduct well into the city. Normally, bridges this high have a hump to accommodate the height, but this bridge is flat to accommodate rail traffic. Another town that can be seen from the Mississippi River between Southwest Pass and Gramercy is Luling. Luling is a town located in St. Charles Parish, Louisiana. It is known for its oil refineries, which are a major source of employment in the area. The town is also home to the annual Alligator Festival, which celebrates the local alligator population. The Hale Boggs Memorial Bridge, also called the Luling Bridge, is a cable-stayed bridge over the Mississippi River in St. Charles Parish, Louisiana. Named for the late U.S. Congressman, the 4-lane span was dedicated and opened to traffic in 1983. It connects Louisiana Highway 18 on the west bank and Louisiana Highway 48 on the east bank. In 1993, the bridge was incorporated into the newly completed Interstate 310, making it the first cable-stayed bridge to be built across the Mississippi River and to be added to the interstate highway system. In addition, it is the third major cable-stayed bridge in the United States after the 1,255-foot John O'Connell Bridge in Sitka, Alaska, and the Pasco-Kennewick Bridge in Washington, D.C. In case you wonder about the weathered bronze color of the bridge, we're told it is intended to blend with the muddy waters of the Mississippi River. The last town that can be seen from the Mississippi River for this transit is Gramercy. Gramercy is a town located in St. James Parish, Louisiana. It is home to a major oil refinery and a chemical plant, which are important employers in the area. The town is also known for its historic district, which includes several buildings that date back to the early 20th century.